Hey guys! Okay, so this is just a really quick little tutorial and it came out so cute and I wanted to show you. So this is one of those little glass snow globe tumblers. If you've seen me kind of on TikTok, I've been making a few of these. They're seriously so much fun. I just did a tutorial not long ago on them, but I wanted to do like a winter wonderland type of theme. So I mixed in some Hello Beautiful with a little bit of Cloud9 and a touch of just like an ultra fine white glitter that I kind of had sitting around, and a little pinch of the stars, and it came out so stinking cute. I ended up going with like a Frosty the Snowman theme, but just wanted to pop this on here and show you guys, like, look how adorable it comes out. Wait for the end. All right, I promise more tutorials coming soon, but in the meantime, thanks for watching.